Let's make them in our image, character. Let's make them like stones, immovable. Let's make them so their ways would reflect me. If you don't understand his nature and take your time to study it so that you can become just like it, you will not understand how to deal with joy and peace and happiness because you don't understand his nature. Somewhere along the line, you forgot that your nature is like God's. But if you took the time to study his nature so that then you can reflect his nature, when stuff happens, you can say, it's okay.